Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and hope you're having a great weekend. And welcome to your update on Shiba Inu. First of all, I mean, we have to start with something I need to say, and that is that I was wrong yesterday. Yesterday, what I said is I did the video when we were at this candle right here. And I said, all right, I do think that we'll be able to get up a little bit higher in this level, potentially up to 940 and 950, maybe even 960, but I don't think we'll break above that. And like 4 or 6 hours after the analysis, I was already proven wrong because we broke above the level. We even broke above the 1.618 fib right here. So we were way more bullish than I expected. Maybe I should have expected it. I mean, in the end, it's my mistake. But I didn't feel like we could actually do that after, for example, the struggle we already had with breaking above 860. But all right, doesn't matter. This is the situation right now, and I do think I still have somewhat of a clear idea of what's going on with Shiba. I will be a little bit less decisive, like saying like this is going to happen, but I'll tell you the different scenarios from here. What's most likely, what usually happens in scenarios like this with, for example, what's happening with Shiba right now with Shibarium. So that's what we'll talk about, all right? Now, before we dive into that, I do want to say that I have my own premium trading group. And trust me, I did not short here. I'm not going to short a crypto that's rallying like this. So you will not get trade setups like that, but you will become a better and more profitable trader in our traders community with the trading guide. And overall with my trading setups, which I've been a profitable trader for months and months. So if that sounds interesting, consider joining via the links down in the description or go to cilinix.com where you can also find out a little bit more information. So now on to Shiba. So the thing is that we have found significant resistance around 1025 up here, all right? We rejected off of that basically since yesterday afternoon. Never managed to break above that. Historically, strong level, all right? Now, what we ultimately want to do is break above that to get up towards 1100, all right? 1100 and probably a little bit above there because the most of the resistance around those areas is actually around like 1120 up until 1150. So that's where we want to go. We want to have a bullish breakout like that, which at this point in time is still very, very possible, all right? We are still on top of the 382 fib, after a bit of a pullback. So I would say like the magic level is 950. That's our main support right now. And as long as the price is above that level, like 950, 960, I should actually say. As long as we're above there, technically we are still very, very bullish. But now, usually, what I've seen throughout experience is what happens with projects that have a big launch like this, is that usually the crypto is bullish until the upgrade or until the product is released, all right? So I do think that if Shibarium is actually released, I think we'll see a big drop and a big sell-off then. But until that point of time, I still think we're going to be bullish, all right? So at this point of time, like purely technically, it's either holding 960, 950 and breaking above 1025 to get up towards that, let's say 1120 level. And from there, we'll see again. I mean, for the same instance, we'll get even higher. That's possible. So this is a possibility. Or we actually get a bearish breakout. So if we get a bearish breakout below 950, that's a problem. I wouldn't necessarily say that we're going to crash, but then at least we're going to drop down towards that 900 level. And then the bullish momentum is at least temporarily out the price, all right? We will not see a huge rally from there easily again. It's possible. It's definitely possible. But then we will have a bit of consolidation and a bit more bearish momentum, I would say, all right? So these are the two scenarios. Now, given the fundamentals at this point of time, I would still say that this is the most likely scenario, all right? So that we break above 1025 because Shibarium isn't here yet. So we still have that hype. A lot of people are still buying in. So this is a possibility. But yeah, I mean, it's in the end, if I would have to give you advice, I would say wait for confirmation, all right? Wait till we get that bullish breakout and then buy. Or wait until we get that bearish breakout to sell, all right? Because in the end, cryptos in times like these are very, very volatile, difficult to predict. So this is my analysis. This is what you'll have to do it with. I'd say a little bit more bullish momentum is most likely, but it's definitely realistic as well that will break down below 950. and stabilize at lower levels for a while. So that's my take on Shiba. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.